make sure to try making new strategies I share with you in this video in order to monetize your Instagram account. Now, as we go through the strategies that you can use to monetize your Instagram, I do want to warn you. I'm going to start with one that is my least favorite, and the last one is true, but more likely than not, it's actually not going to be true because all sales them. Guess what? You don't make them their money back. And we
Itong hybrid natin, ito yung male, ano, yan guys, nakapag-select na po tayo ng mga ipibreed nating mga danyos. Yan po mga green, naluan ko na lang ng pink para mas madami yung lay ng eggs. Sana magtagumpay tayo guys. Prepare na natin yan dito. Ito po yung magsisilbing screen niya para hindi kainin ng mga parents yung eggs nila. Ayan. Bali yung eggs po malalaglag doon sa baba. Just after a weeks po mag-ano yan, mag-hatch na yung eggs nila. Ayan, ganyan po ako mag-breed. So ito na guys, ito na guys yung na-prepare nating breeder. Yan po, madaling araw po sila nagmi-meeting, so dyan po yung time na magbi-breed na po sila. Ayan po, kung makikita nyo po yung ating female na danyos, malaki na po yung tiyan nya. Ayan, yan po sila. Ayan po, kanya po tayo mag-breed ng ating mga danyos. So hopefully mag-success tayo ng breeding para makarami tayo. Ayan. So bali po guys, yung eggs nila ay babaksak doon sa baba. Tapos after weeks mag-hatch po yung eggs nila. And that was the time na pwede nating tanggalin yung mga baiters para hindi po nila kainin. So bukas po i-check natin kung successful ang ating breeding ng ating mga danyos. So yun lang guys. Hopefully this video will help you to breed a danyos. Bye.